Hi, thanks for your order. I'd like to take a moment before I start working on your order to explain a few things. Please don't be concerned. This time that I'm spending and explaining is not part of the actual time you're paying for your review. First, I'd like to mention in advance, I'm located on a busy street. I do have a special noise-canceling microphone, but I do apologize in advance if you're hearing any background noise. I'm doing the best I can, and I hope my dog Cutesy doesn't start barking. Two, I'd like to mention when it comes to these short types of reviews of 5 or 10 minutes, even 15 minutes, it's usually pretty difficult for me to do any serious reading in terms of the text. I actually do have another gig. My main gig is as a web text writer or a web text editor. The reason I do these review gigs is so I can meet the owners of websites and actually work on their text in terms of correcting it for spelling errors, grammatical errors, punctuation errors, syntax, things like that. So if I see any major things going on your page, of course I'll be happy to tell you, but I won't be able to really read and focus on the actual text in terms of that kind of editing. Let me know if you're interested in that type of service. Last, I'd like to mention, I'm going in completely cold, or as cold as possible, on your website. I haven't looked at it before, I haven't seen it before, and I don't know anything about it except for the name of your site that you told me and whatever other information you've given me, if you've given me anything else. So you're going to be seeing my true and real reaction for the first time. Okay, so here we go. Okay, off the top of my head, I'm not thrilled with the font. It's a little hard to read. This particular script, not my favorite, a little busy. Also, this movement is a little fast. I would like time to focus on it a little bit more. Keep in mind, I don't know what I'm going into, so I'm looking at this from a completely cold point of view. And now I see what you're doing here is selling products customized for you. So, okay. Fiercely Fit. Like, so the name of the brand is Fiercely Fit? Or let's go to home. It's very busy and very fast. Pre-med, okay, so maybe this is what I needed to see first. Oh, wait, where'd it go? All right. You see what happened there? Like, I just went home and I didn't even know to scroll down because I couldn't tell there was more below. So I missed that. All right, let me get that busy wizard. Shop our favorite athletic gear and accessories, eye-catching designs, handpicked. Okay. So I'm still not really understanding. The name of your brand is Fitness Brand? Fitness Fairly Fit? And this is busy. You know, I only have 5 minutes for this, so it's kind of confusing. Okay, so now I see it's not just clothing, it's other things. So what is this custom design part I'm missing? And get me rid of this thing here. See, I'm just confused. And that's what I would be if I just landed on this page. I'm not really understanding, and it's just going so fast. How it works, maybe you should write, like, build your own pattern, mix and match, keep up your actives like with an outfit you'll want to hit the gym in. So what's the advantage? I'm not really following you. So is everything going to say Fiercely Fit on it? Let's go see what happens when I go to tank tops, if that even works. Okay, so I clicked tank tops, and I was brought here. So you said to ignore the errors and stuff like that. So I guess I will do that. Color-wise, scheme-wise, it's fine. It's just, like I said, a little busy and a little unclear to a person like me who doesn't understand. And the other thing that's weird is the name of the company Fit Style Custom Design or Fiercely Fit? Because that's a little confusing too. And too busy. We're online. Okay. I'm just going to write Andrea from Fiverr testing your site. Andrea from Fiverr testing your site. Okay, let's see, rewards. Well, you said you didn't really need the details of this, so, you know, I won't get into all these details. And again, I'm not really able to read in this short period of time, but I see there's a reward program if you shop with someone. What's not coming clear to me at the outset is, oops, what happened there? Sorry, that's not your fault. Here we go. Is why I would come to you. Like, what are you offering? Like, designs we love, customized for you. Well, who are you, and what do I care what you love? Don't take that the wrong way. I just meant it like that. Like you haven't established why I would, or maybe our story. Like, maybe that's what needs to be clearer, like our story, like explaining why. I can't read all this. But now I'm seeing small family-run business, big passion for sports. Okay, all that. So, whoops, I see how quickly that just came up, like way too fast. Way too fast. So I'm going to have to really read. I won't be able to really read this, but I see that you're a, okay. Well, since you're family run, I think it's time to show some pictures of people. Maybe that would help, like a little bit slowing down with all this, like here. But what's going on here? You see how quickly it's all happening? It's all happening so fast. Where were those people a second ago? Where did they go? Well, there were people a minute ago. But maybe you could personalize it a little bit. I don't know. It's just, and this thing, it's like oh, so much going on. Stop! Make that smaller. And how does this go away? Oh, it doesn't go away. It just stays there? Okay. You know, when you get the actual website set up, really working the way you really think it's going to work, I think I should, or someone should, take another look and really see how it's all flowing. For now, you kind of caught my reaction, my first reactions, and I mean, the layout looks nice. It's just things are moving a little too quickly. This thing keeps popping down and bothering me, and I don't know how to get rid of it. Like, and every time I go, it's just like too much. There's people. Wait, there's people. So like, make people come faster. The other thing that's not really clear, and maybe that's a good thing, is it's not really clear if this is for men or women, or if there's a preference. But you might want to, I mean, the script makes it look female, but some of the products are kind of male-ish. So, you know. Anyway, that's about all I can do for the short 5-minute review. I hope you got some, you know, natural response from me, and you got a sense of my first reaction, and let me know if you need any more assistance. I hope you didn't think I was too harsh, but you know, you want honest feedback, and I'd love to see how it develops, and maybe just get a little more specific about who your target audience is. You know, like, I don't see products. I'm a 53-year-old woman who's not particularly fit, and I can't, like, I don't know that I would shop here because I don't really know. This seems to be more of like a young people's thing, but maybe if you had some faces, and, you know, can kids get these products? You know, maybe if more faces would help too. All right, I gotta go. Thank you for the gig. Good luck. Let me know if you need any more feedback.